I'm away. I'm away. You have a good time. हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी मैं इधर ही हूँ जी हेलो hey what's up love the classes
What good performance,
why
Shahid?
is your mic like why do I have to hold your mic इधर हाँ बस baby mic on it yes you want me to keep this here for you one second I am doing my first job for the day I'll get to you later all the mics are ready हाँ जी
Shahid was a memorable performance for you. Sorry.
poor thing she has waited for the mic to happen also only girls do this to each other huh
No. Okay.
yeah
Great performance. We watched your Instagram.
Thank
But
you so
tell
much.
me, so many people out there.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part of it?
I love it. I love being in a like a stadium full of people, and I remember like my first live experience was when I was like 15 years old, and Michael Jackson had come to India, and we all went to Andheri Sports Complex, and I remember walking home alone. So for me, it's like it's living your dream, being in a stadium full of people where you're the artist. And you're getting to do it, and I actually really enjoy live performances. I love the energy of the crowd. I feel it's a very pure experience. There's nobody between you and the people. Otherwise, there is a script and a character and a filmmaker and a marketing strategy and so many things between you and the people, when you do a movie. But when you're live, it's just you and them. So I find that always the most fun. So I had a great
Shahid,
time.
Shahid, you're also a crowd puller when it comes to live events. Sorry. Done. Please, hurry up.
Sorry.
Shahid, you are being loved for the dance performance. But
Thank
was
you.
there any song across your career which probably you felt it was a little tough for you to get this steps
A
right?
lot of the steps actually, when I remember when I worked with Prabhu sir in R. Rajkumar, and he made me do Gandhi Baat and Sari Ka Fall. I just didn't understand what to do, because I had danced with Shamak, and the rhythm pattern and the style and everything is very different. So I remember that was the first time I felt like I don't know how to dance, because till then I never felt like that, because I was a trained dancer. I had taught people how to dance when I was like 18 years old. So that goes to show that how every dance style is so different, and how you have to adapt and change according to it. And yeah.
Shahid. You are a crowd puller you are a crowd puller even at live events. We saw it in the press conference here. What? I mean, how do you do this? Does it come to you naturally?
बस मैं पैदा हुआ और ऐसे ही था मैं. Sorry.
Last time it was Babina's tribute.
Yes, I really enjoyed doing that actually.
This time, what was the theme? Because we couldn't attend your.
Okay, so this time I performed on two of my songs, Akhiyan Gulab, which I've actually never done live, so it was great fun, and then Lal Pili Akhiyan. Then Kriti joined for Lal Pili Akhiyan, and then I did um, Mukabla with Prabhu sir. Then I did, which was that, Nahi Nahi oh, with Bobby sir. Because I loved seeing him in that song. I still remember him and Preeti ma'am wearing the caps and going. So got to do that with him. And then there was Nach Punjaban with Anil sir. So it was like a nice full act.
Out of all people, hit it act.
Of course, dance isn't your dream because your mother is a versatile classical dancer. She keeps posting videos on Instagram also. What do you have to say about it?
She's actually a genius dancer. I'm not even 1% of what she is. So I'm just happy that I got some of her DNA in me. But yeah, I have grown up watching her dance, and she's very, very special.
Shahid, personally, which was your favorite act out of the four that you just mentioned on the stage?
बेटा ये तो मतलब चांस ही नहीं है ना कि मैं आंसर करूँगा. आई एम नॉट वेरी डिप्लोमैटिक.
Sir, this year in
Delhi, I just did one concert now.
Next, when is the next?
Then very soon. Yeah.
So you are into filmmaking also. What do you have to say about it?
About what?
Filmmaking.
No, I do immersive films like VR, virtual reality, and because it's a new technology and it involves scent and haptics and all the stuff. My, yeah,
And what about the role of AI in music now?
AI is just a tool. We use it in a way where it's beneficial and not. I think people love musicians more when AI comes.
So, we recently have seen how concerts have become a rage. Whether it's a Coldplay, whether it's AP Law, or whether it's the such. Why do you think this is happening, or is it just a trend?
No, concerts I think define love because you spend time, you dress up, and you buy the tickets and show up. Because people realize what after COVID that what real experience is, right? And we for at least for a couple of years we thought it's not going to happen where people are going to be collectively. So I think it's Thanksgiving. Okay.
मैम यहाँ से कॉमन कीजिए ना, हम लोग को थोड़ा लेट हो रहा है स्टेज के लिए. हेलो हाय हाय हाय.
Last time you made a beautiful performance at the IFA and today it's your second time.
Yes.
If you could tell us the difference between the first time and the second.
So the first time was my first stage performance ever with IFA, so I was very nervous. And this time also I was still nervous, but I think I had more fun this time. I was also dancing on some of my favorite songs of the year. I danced on Jhumka and Karan was sitting in the audience, so I think I just like fed off the energy of the audience.
And what was the favorite part of it?
My favorite part was all of it. I was going to say the end, but that's not true. I think before I go on, I'm like, okay, I can't wait for it to get over. But then once it's over, I'm like, I wish I could do it all over again. I think nothing compares to the rush of being on stage.
And you know, Shah Rukh is back on stage after so long.
Yeah. I want to go and watch it. I've only been seeing like quietly from backstage, but I want to go sit in the audience and just laugh and enjoy myself.
Ananya,
Ji.
I remember speaking to you last time and you said that you and your friends from the industry and you want to discuss about the work and all on yourselves. Has it ever happened that Shah Rukh has watched any of your work and he has called you or played or complimented any of your work?
I think he's watched most of my work, I think, but my most special would be when he called me after Student of the Year and we had a long, long chat that felt really nice.
Anything that you would like to share? What did he exactly
No, it
say?
was very cute and personal. I still have that message saved on my phone. I think I'm going to frame it one day.
Have you ever been given a tip from him?
I think with him, I've just kind of observed everything growing up, and I think more than an actor, he's an excellent, super, best actor, I think. But I think I've learned a lot from him as a human being also. He has this personality where he makes everyone around him feel so special and so warm, even though he's like the king. So that's something that's really admirable about him.
Ananya, the trailer of Kalki that
Yes.
positive response
Yes.
takes into the world of AI.
Yes. Yes.
A while ago, we had seen a lot of celebrities becoming victim of deepfake videos. What are your thoughts on this?
No, it's very scary, and as public figures, our faces are out there, our voices are out there. So there's, I don't know how much we can safeguard. So I think it'll have to come from regulations by the government. I think that's probably the only solution.
And who are you marrying?
Faraz, Amin Faraz. Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
Congratulations on your award.
Can we just do it all together?
Congratulations on your award.
Thank you so much.
So when you receive that award, and you receive recognition for this role in multiple platforms, and when you look back at your time and those hard days, when you see those hard days and the flashback, and when you receive these kind of accolades for your research, do you think about those flashback memories?
I just think that hard days are part of life. I don't look at them and feel, oh my God, I went through that period in my life. It's a journey every person goes through in their life, and only when you work hard, there's a day when it comes in your life where you get some kind of acknowledgement. I think everybody's life is like that.
You seem to be emerging as a favorite antagonist in Bollywood now after Animals as Alpha, where you are reuniting with Anil Kapoor also.
I don't know, I can't speak about that film because I really can't right now at this moment. But
Bobby, do you think the industry is capitalizing on your villainous avatar that the audience is
ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. क्या है कि जब से मैंने इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन की है, जब आप जब कोई रोल करते हैं तो उस हिसाब से आपको ज़्यादा तो उसी हिसाब के रोल मिलते हैं. So it's been happening since before, not just now. It's always going to be like that. It's just that it took me a tough time to change my image, and finally I've changed my image and I've done characters which are very different.
But there's been this.
What can one expect from anything is like, I hope you guys like it.
So you had a great moment with Shahid right now. You know, how was it to dance on your track?
It's amazing. Shahid is an awesome dancer, actor, and everything. He's a great, he's just good with everything.
So there's been belief that in Bollywood the villain era has ended. What do you have to say about that?
मैंने तो सुना नहीं, तूने कहाँ सुना?
Bobby Ganga, do you think will bring a new villain?
पता नहीं मुझे ये सब चीज़ें, मैं कैसे बोल सकता हूँ? मुझे क्या मालूम जब एनिमल रिलीज होता क्या होने वाला है? मुझे नहीं मालूम था, तो पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है।
Bobby, let's say re-releases, if you had to re-release one of your films, which one would that be?
All of them?
Bobby, a message for your fans.